Hello friends, how you all? I'm back again with yet another super handy guide. It's time to learn how to customize the touchpad gestures in Windows 11. Windows 11 allows you to customize the touchpad gestures, making navigation easier and more intuitive. Here is how you can customize these gestures to suit your needs better. To get started, you have to click on the Start button and choose Settings. And in the Settings window, you have to click on Bluetooth and Devices from the left sidebar. And then you have to select Touchpad from the list of options. And then you have to scroll down to the Gestures and Interaction section. Here, you will see options to customize 3 and 4 finger gestures. For 3 finger gestures, you can modify swipe actions to switch apps, show the desktop, or even open Task View. You can also assign tapping gestures for playing, pausing media, opening the search bar, or even launching notifications. And for 4 finger gestures, similar to the 3 finger gestures, you can change the swipe and tap actions to manage virtual desktops or even control media. Furthermore, you can also adjust settings for scrolling and zooming. Here, you can enable or disable the reverse scrolling direction and control the pitch to zoom feature. And once you have perfectly customized the touchpad settings, try them out to ensure they work the way you want. You can return to this menu to adjust settings further as well. And that's about it. You have successfully customized your touchpad gestures in Windows 11 to your heart's liking. Now that you have unlocked this neat feature, make the most of it to ensure your touchpad always behaves and works the way you want. And I'll catch you up in the next video with more such handy Windows tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a good time. Bye-bye.